Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today is a super busy day. I have a delivery for a DIY wedding. I have a delivery for the rehearsal dinner for the DIY wedding. There are two separate deliveries. One lady is coming out here to pick up the rehearsal dinner flowers, and then I'm dropping off the DIY wedding flowers. I have an order going out to a florist. I have to make my farmer market bouquets, and I have a bouquet delivery as well. So it is going to be busy. So I will probably just take a lot of pictures and update you. Right now I'm going to harvest some zinnias, maybe some snapdragons and lysianthus. I probably can't get to everything, so I'm just going to harvest away, and then I'm going to get my florist delivery ready, and I'm just going to take those two deliveries at once, get back out here for the pickup, make a bouquet, and try to deliver it, hopefully all of that before noon, so that then I can get back out here. Sorry, there was like an animal, and I don't even know what it was running up there. I think it might have been a fox. I'm not real sure. It might have been a cat. Anyway, and then I'm going to try to get back here and make all my farmer market bouquets this afternoon. And I might have to pick more this afternoon when it's too hot to pick, but what do you do? All right, I'm going to get to it. Okay, so just like I thought, today has been crazy. So I haven't gotten any footage, and I wanted to get a picture of my cooler because my cooler, I ended up with 4 shelves in there, and I will go in there in a little bit and show you. But I had 4 shelves, and every shelf was full of flowers, and then some shelves had like 5 buckets on them, but most of them had 3. Like I think 2 or 3 shelves had 5 buckets on them. And I was going to take a video to show you, like, this is what the cooler looks like before a wedding, a florist order, and the farmer's market bouquets, and my bouquet subscriptions yesterday, and then this is what it looks like after. I did harvest today about 3 buckets. I don't think I got that on video either because today has just been go, 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 go. But I've got everything done except for my farmer market bouquets, and it is 3 o'clock. So now I need to make my farmer market bouquets, and then I will try to remember to show you what my cooler looks like now, and maybe you can just imagine what it looked like when it was full. There are still a lot of flowers in there, and will be, because I don't think I will use them all for the farmer's market. But I have a ton of flowers, like my ageratum, it's gonna have to get deadheaded because I didn't ever get it picked in time. So I need to deadhead it so that I get more of it. And there's just a ton of things to cut out here. And I could just go cut and cut for the farmer's market too. I have no zinnias for the farmer's market, but that's okay because I have a whole bunch of lysianthus, I have snapdragons, and those are 2 long-lasting, beautiful things, and then I have a lot of filler. So I'm going to see what I can do with it, and next week's farmer's market, I should have zinnias for everybody. So I'm going to go and get that done. I'm sorry for the shortage of videos. Just like last year, I was like, well, I couldn't take a video every day because I got too busy. But at least this year, I'm telling you what I'm doing each day so you have an idea of what it's like on the flower farm. And hopefully, I don't see next week being this busy. I don't have as much lined up, so I can be harvesting and kind of showing you what I do again. This week was just the craziest week I've had so far. Okay, I got those done. So behind me I made 7 bouquets this time for the farmer's market since I keep running out. And then this will be the slow week, but that's okay. I wouldn't mind having any of these in my house, and my house has no flowers in it right now. I've just been too busy this week, and I noticed all these dead flowers, so I like pulled them and threw them away, and I was like, oh, well, if I don't sell them at the farmer's market, I will get them. So I'm just gonna number them 1 through 7, and if you want to pick your favorite and leave it in the comments below. I do enjoy seeing what everybody picks. It kind of helps me learn, you know, what styles or what colors are popular right now. And then at the farmer's market, I go and I tell you in my next video which ones actually sold first. So here I go. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here's kind of just looking at them all together. Looking through the camera now, this one looks prettier in person, but those snapdragons might get replaced. Looks kind of weak. Okay, so just to give you an idea of how many flowers I went through today, remember this room, every shelf had at least 3 buckets on it, and some shelves, like 2 or 3 shelves had 5 buckets on them. And this is how it looks now. And they were full buckets. Those are the same because I had plenty of ageratum. And this fridge just has some snapdragons and then all those little lisianthus I cut off. I'll probably never use them, but I saved them. And this cooler is shut off and I'm not using it anymore right now. It just wouldn't keep the temperature and it killed a bunch of flowers, so I have to get it fixed. But now that I have that cooler, I'm hoping I don't need it unless like I just need to store arrangements after they're done. It is nice out here because I don't have to go in and out of that cooler so much. So it would be nice if I'm like working on something for the day to bring it out. So I might look into having it fixed, but that is it. And my kitchen is a mess. I guess I should say my workspace is a mess. There's a bunch of empty buckets. There's a bunch of buckets I already cleaned. And I do have 5 buckets that are out and about that I need to get back. Because the wedding, I gave them 5 buckets. So they said they'd get them back to me. So yeah, I went through a lot of buckets of flowers today. I think this might be one of my most tired days to date. I'm feeling a little tired. So I'm gonna get all of this mess cleaned up. I got my little $10 bouquets made. I'll show them to you real quick. I'm in these containers to take them to the market. This one just has a bunch of little snapdragons and lisianthus, and they all just kind of have a different look or feel to them. Each one has a lisianthus. Each one of them has the frosted explosion grass. All of them have like a smaller snapdragon, not quite as grand as these, and then they just have some random like filler yarrow or ageratum or whatever I pulled out of the bucket. So yeah, it was a busy day. Now I need to clean up my mess and get ready to go so that I can get ready for the farmer's market tomorrow. I do want to still pick, but and it is, I mean, it's still sunny out, so I could go pick, but it's really hot. It's 88 degrees right now. But I could fill my cooler back up. Like I said, my ageratum is, I'm needing to deadhead it now instead of cut buckets, but I do, you saw in the cooler, I have like 3 buckets of it, so I think I planted too much of it. I love it, but I don't think I need a whole row. So maybe next year I'll do a half row. And today I was out of zinnias, and I only have 4 lisianthus left. So focal flowers, if anybody else would have needed focal flowers today, I might have been able to make 1 small bouquet. Well, I could have made a big bouquet and just taken less to the farmer's market. I am taking more than I ever have. But yeah, it's a crazy day. And tomorrow there will be more zinnias and there will be more, and I will be able to make big, huge bouquets again and fulfill any orders. Except for the fact that I will be at the farmer's market tomorrow, so I won't be able to pick. And that's why I was considering picking tonight. But I might just have to tell people I'm out for tomorrow, but I could get them flowers on Sunday. which is not a big deal. Most people don't usually order on Saturday anyway. So anyway, yay. And then I'll probably be picking again for more florist order coming next week. I will keep you in tune with what's going on. Right now I'm just going to do some cleanup and then I'm going to head home. I hope everybody has a fantastic day.